Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back in another creek here in Indiana, and I'm going to be doing some solo fishing at another familiar spot. I've fished and filmed here before and caught some pretty interesting species, so I'm excited to get back out and get after them today. It's been in the 50s in the mornings here, so it's a lot chillier. So I'm interested to see what that's going to do with the bite. And we're past the full moon here, so that's also interesting as well. Cooler weather is here. Fall weather seems like it's here. It's even extending out into the day. Like we've been in the 70s and 80s throughout the day. So summer is coming to an end, and that opens up some pretty interesting fishing opportunities for us. So stick around. Let's see what we can catch. Okay guys, we're at that familiar spot. You can see right behind me here, there is a good set of waterfalls, and all of this is a great fishing spot, especially right here next to these little, I guess, vegetation beds. But I have pulled out some interesting stuff. The water level looks like it's about the same. I thought it would be higher, to be honest. But it's still the same, but that's okay. I got a couple of rods with me and my tackle box. So we're gonna be heading out there and let's see what we can pull out of this bad boy. I'm excited. Let's let him go. So the first catch was actually a spotted bass, not a smallie. I was looking at his lateral line like, no, that doesn't look like a smallie at all. Oh no. Oh no. Something just totally bit my line off. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to go retie now. Thanks for that, little bud. All right, we got fish on. Oh, he popped off. Fish on. Oh, he is, oh my God, what is happening here? Okay, so there, that was a smallmouth for sure, but he got me wrapped around a rock. These guys are biting and they're eating a lot. It's just frustrating. Fish on. Yes, there we go. Let's get him in. That is a smallmouth right there. He is really pissed off. That is one pissed off river smallmouth. There we go. Nice little smallmouth for you, red eyes. Very, very fat. He's been chonky. He is a bit chonky. He is fattening up for the winter and biting down hard on my thumb here. And his mouth just feels like just pure Velcro. Look at that, just beautiful colorations. Gray belly, typical smallmouth. All right, there's one last look at him. Grab him by the mouth. We're gonna let him go. Goodbye, little buddy. I know they're in here, and that's what I'm after. Man, he absolutely destroyed this little jig here. Haha, had a good bite there. It's like these smallmouth can't resist these young dingers, as I suspected. Had a good bite there. Let's get it. I think it is time to move downstream and get away from here. Let's get downstream where it's a lot quieter and less snags, hopefully. So we're packing up and we're moving out. Okay, so we're moving away from that really loud falls area, and we're going to try to make it down this bank as much as we can and stay dry while we're at it. So this is certainly some tough luck here. The water is really shallow. See some activity here. The water is super clear. I see some sunfish, but that's about it. If there were fish here, they sure would be starved. Oh my goodness, something came up and just ate. Took my bait too. Dang it. Okay, there was something there. Okay, we got a fish on. Yes. Oh my God, this guy is a wild one. That is certainly a smallmouth. Threw my worm off again. This is what we're after here. Got him hooked really good too. Really beautiful smallmouth. He is wild as he is pissed off and wild. Just beautiful colors. So look at him, man. That's why they've been throwing my worm like nothing. But he's beautiful little specimen. Whatever I was standing on was definitely rocking back and forth. Look at that, just beautiful colors. Let's get him back in. Just an inches of water here, and that's all they need, really. Probably a whole family of them down here. Well guys, I think that's just gonna about do it for me today. That's my creek fishing adventure. I started out way back there where the falls and the dam were, underneath that bridge. Had a few good catches out there, and had a good catch here in this little deep pocket here. I still see fish kind of bubbling up. But I want to thank you for coming along and having fun with me. It was definitely a learning experience because there's so many snags out here, and I had to retie several times, and there was also several times that I almost fell because this stuff is slick. This is all slate rock that's covered with moss, and it is super slippery. So very sketchy, especially when we're out here just trying to film a YouTube video for fishing and go after these smallies. But I want to say thank you for the 110 subscribers that are watching here. We're at 110. Let's see if we could grow above that. You know, let's grow this Fishing with Aaron community. I look forward to doing these videos with you guys all the time. Super stoked. Finding and discovering new places to fish, and of course showing you new species. So today we caught a spot and we caught a couple of smallmouth bass. So we're just going to keep on sticking to it. The fall is upon us, and that's going to mean, you know, some crappie fishing and some other unique opportunities. So I want you guys to stay tuned, and you know, if you haven't already, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share my channel on all of your social media platforms with your buddies that love fishing as much as I do. That would mean the world to me. So we'll see you on the next one.
Oh, got him. Don't lose this one.
I ain't messing around now. No, you ain't. No, you ain't. No, you're not. No, sir.
Heck yeah. They're in this vicinity.
This is my PB crappie.
Really?
Yep. I have not fished for crappie because, again, they're just tough to catch in Texas without a boat. This guy had a hook, another hook hole. So he's been caught before.
Think that's a tenner?
Probably not.
Checker's right there.
Yeah, let me.
No, I think it is. I think he's right on the dock. No.
Ooh,
Oh,
no.
shy. But there's plenty in here, so.
Looking like a 9.5. 9.5. Oh, you beautiful boy. You live to swim another day. Beautiful crappie. 9.5 inches. Black crappie, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Speckled bass. Some parts of the state, they consider speckled bass. Old sockeye.
Grow up and be a PB. Go get it. Go get it.
Ooh. Ah. Don't play with your food. Come on. Oh, that might be the keeper right there.
Oh, I better not high stake this guy. Let's get him in. Let's get him in.
Nah.
Nope, but oh, what a beauty. What a beauty.
Ross, you ain't got one yet, boss?
Oh, I keep dropping them. Sorry, buddy.
They're right along the bank, bro.
This one's like really beautiful colors. Blue, green.